In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a great Microsoft Copilot prompt with a focus on making a compelling YouTube script that you'll definitely want to try. We'll take this step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you're comfortable crafting prompts that can guide Copilot to generate an effective script. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. It's always a reliable starting point for quick information retrieval. In the search bar, type Microsoft Copilot. We want to make sure we're heading to the right source to start working with Microsoft's powerful AI assistant. Once you've typed Microsoft Copilot, you'll see a range of search results. Look specifically for the official Microsoft Copilot website. Give it a click. This is the space where the magic happens, where you'll connect with Microsoft's AI tools that can help streamline your script creation process. Now, we're at the Microsoft Copilot website, and it's time to create our prompt. Crafting a prompt requires a bit of thought and precision. Here's an example you could use. Ask Copilot to write a simple 1-minute YouTube script explaining how Microsoft Copilot works for beginners. Mention your audience, entirely new to AI, and request the tone be friendly and easy to understand. Break down the format into an engaging hook, a clear explanation, actionable steps, and a compelling call to action, all within a concise 150 words. This will guide Copilot to tailor its output to your needs. Once you've carefully composed your prompt, the next step is to find and click on the Submit button on the website. This action sends your prompt for Copilot to process. Here's where your thoughtfully constructed prompt turns into action as you watch Microsoft Copilot generate a result tailored to your specifications. In just those few steps, you've engaged with Microsoft Copilot using a specific prompt to craft a YouTube script. Now, you can refine your process by iterating on your creations. Whether it's enhancing the tone or depth of content, practicing with different prompt structures will help you master Copilot's capabilities. With this newfound skill, you're well on your way to producing scripts that are not only insightful, but also crafted with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting and refining your prompts. And soon enough, using Microsoft Copilot will become a seamless part of your content creation process. Watch as your ideas transform into polished scripts with just a few strategic steps. Happy script writing!